Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I am doing this festive Christmas look. I kind of do the same look every year, but I really like it. It's a bit of a rosy cheek, a red cheek, and a red lip gloss. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, please keep watching. To start my base, I'm going to use this Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40. I just got this in the last sale. This is in the color Balos ST3, and it's a pretty good match, actually. I just use it on its own with no primer underneath because it's really nice and oily the way I like my skin tints, and I'm definitely a sucker for a good skin tint. So I will leave it right there, and for concealer I am using this Bareminerals Correcting Concealer SPF 20 in Light 2, and I just have to go in with a brush because I no longer can reach the product. So that Ilia Super Skin Tint, it looks really shiny and oily, but for my dry skin, it's actually perfect because throughout the day, it kind of just, it dries out and basically settles to a really, really nice finish. Whereas I would never go towards a matte foundation ever because it just would mattify even more throughout the day. Whereas something that starts off really oily, it settles into a beautiful look by the end of the day. For the base, I'm all finished. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows really quick. I thought it would be nice to do my first Christmas or holiday makeup look, and I'll just do the look that I usually do, which is gonna be pretty similar, if not identical, to the look I did last year with some of my favorite products. So this is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Brow Pencil in dark brunette. And for a little bit of under eye powder, I'm going to use this Mercier powder, because I don't mind if it's dewy and oily everywhere else, but the under eyes, I don't like that shining. Then it just draws attention to your lack of sleep, dark circles, all that. For bronzer, I am using this Star Bronzer Natural Glow. It's the Lancome Star Bronzer in the color Lumiere. And I'm just gonna use a big fluffy brush and basically set some of that shine with this bronzer. And then for blush, I'm using this Dior blush in the color Cherry. It's one of my favorites. It's just so beautiful. Just that pop of life to the cheeks. And I don't do a lot because it is pretty pigmented, so I'll just keep it a bit on the sheerer side, natural side. Yeah, right there. And for lip liner, I'm gonna use this Makeup by Mario in the color Smokey Pink. I'm gonna let that set for a bit, let it dry out, the lip liner, and then I will do my eyes next. I'm using this Makeup by Mario palette. I'm going to use one of these more medium toned browns. I'll use one of the lighter shades to kind of even out some of this color. Then I'm going to use a thinner, flatter brush for the eyeshadow under the eyes. I will use an eyeliner next. This is by Wonderskin Long Eyewear in the color Kalamata. And there the eyes are coming together. I will do just a bit of sparkle, and I might do this middle shade right there. There, that just adds a little something that I wanted. And then I'll finish off the eyes with this Give Beauty mascara. The eyes are all finished now. Just to finish off the complete makeup look, I am using this Dior Lip Maximizer in Cherry. And that is the look for today. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys are having great holidays. Have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you on my channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye.